If you've not heard of a company called Fors who are making probably the coolest Max for Live devices out there today, you need to head over to their website now and try them out. And that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to dive into one of the collections, and it's called Kit. So let's have a little look. So here on Fors website, this is their about page, and this is the team. It's got a real Electron feel to it. It's if you've used any Electron devices such as the Digitone, Digitac, find the Fors devices quite familiar. So let's head over to their instruments. Now there's a whole range here to try out. They really are amazing, aesthetically amazing as well. So the one we're going to be talking about today is Kit. So Kit is made up of 7 different devices, which you can see here. You've got Jog, Pop, Hue, Box, Dot, Lux, and Ego. I'm going to talk you through these in an Ableton Live set that I have prepared. So here we are in Ableton Live. Each of these 5 tracks I have here, I've used various instances of the Kit collection from Fors. What I'll do is play each of them without effects to start with. So I'll solo them out one at a time and I'll let you hear what's going on, okay? So this Pop is an 8-voice FM synth. All different controls here. So this is a harmonics. You can see. So for this I went for a kind of bass feel, but like I mentioned before, they look the part as well. So everything here can be changed. And this Ego, it's a grain shifting delay. And I'll move over to the Lux, and this is an additive synth. And what I've done is I've added this random LFO. It's modulating a few things in the Lux device. So yeah, it's just modulating things in here. Yeah, it's such a cool device as well. But this Hue is like it's a bandpass filter, and we've got the Ego again, which is your grain shifting delay. Let's hear that and the first track together. And now we've got this Jog. Okay, so Jog is it's a polyphonic step sequencer. If you've used the Teenage Engineering OP1, it might look familiar. It's very similar to their step sequencer. And I have the Pop instrument at the back of it, and the Box reverb, and I've added this random LFO, which is affecting a few things in the Pop instrument. I'll turn the effects off. And the way to do this, you've got this pencil here, is just record, and you can put notes in for each step. It's really simple to use and pretty cool. Yeah, sounds cool with the reverb on. Bring in the other two. Right. Next, we have the Dot, which is a circular sequencer with 2 Euclidean patterns. Take some inspiration from the OP1 again with their Euclidean stuff. Again, I've got the random. I like to use LFOs all the time, and on my tracks, use the Pop instrument again. You can really get in and mess around with these, so I'll add the reverb on. Yep, really like that. And at the end here, I've got just an 808 kit and added their jog step sequencer in, and I manually put in drum sounds per step just to give it a try. And I'll turn the effects off and we'll play. There's nothing really to it. Yeah, I added their delay effect in and just added it to the high end. Let's start bringing in some of the other sounds. So I'll bring in this bass again. So this feels like a pretty cool start to a track. It's got the makings of something here. I especially like this dot Euclidean pattern. Cool if I could add some more. More random stuff happening to it. Because you can just change the notes here. Yeah, that's the kit collection from Force. Definitely worth a try. Like I mentioned earlier, head over to their YouTube channel. Loads of good tutorials on there. So thanks for watching once again. Like and subscribe and all that stuff. Cheers, see ya.